Financing a car with no money down can be challenging, but there are ways to increase your chances of securing a deal without a down payment. Here are some strategies. Check your credit score. Know your credit score before approaching lenders. A higher credit score may improve your chances of getting approved with no down payment. Research lenders. Look for lenders that offer zero down financing or special programs for buyers with no money for a down payment. Some credit unions and online lenders may have such options. Consider a trade-in. If you have a vehicle with equity, consider trading it in. The trade-in value can act as your down payment. Explore manufacturer financing deals. Some car manufacturers and dealerships offer special financing deals with zero or low down payments. Keep an eye on promotions or incentives. Apply for pre-approval. Seek pre-approval from lenders to understand the terms you qualify for. Some lenders may be more willing to work with you if you have a pre-approved loan. Negotiate the purchase price. Negotiate the purchase price of the car. A lower purchase price may reduce the amount you need to finance, making it easier to proceed without a down payment. Check for first-time buyer programs. Some lenders and dealerships offer first-time buyer programs that may require little or no down payment. Check for eligibility. Look for special financing programs. Explore special financing programs that cater to buyers with specific circumstances, such as no down payment or lower credit scores. Consider lease-to-own options. Some dealerships offer lease-to-own or rent-to-own programs that allow you to make payments over time and eventually own the vehicle. Secure a cosigner. Having a cosigner with good credit can improve your chances of getting approved without a down payment. Save for fees and taxes. Even if you don't have a down payment, you'll likely need to cover taxes, registration, and other fees. Save some money to address these additional costs. Be flexible with vehicle choice. Consider more affordable vehicles that fit your needs. A lower-priced car may require a smaller loan and increase the likelihood of approval without a down payment. Remember to carefully review the terms and conditions of any financing agreement, including interest rates and fees. It's advisable to shop around, compare offers, and negotiate to secure the best possible deal for your specific circumstances.